The Moderna vaccine arrived at the Salt Lake VA hospital this morning, and just a few hours later, medical workers started getting the shots. News specialist Alex Cabrero is live there tonight. And Alex, did this hospital get any of the Pfizer vaccines as well?
They didn't get any of the Pfizer vaccine last week, so this week with the Moderna vaccine, it is the first batch they are getting. Now, it is not mandatory for healthcare workers here to get it, but plenty of them wanted it.
This is amazing that we got it this fast.
You don't get into the medical field unless you truly care about people.
It is exciting.
And there's no doubt that Pamela Makris cares, especially helping veterans at the VA hospital in Salt Lake City.
It's very hard to watch them suffer.
But today, it was her turn to sit down. And even though she's had plenty of shots before, this one came with cheers.
Yay!
Makris was the first healthcare worker here to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
It's a step forward. It's a step in a new direction to restore our life as we knew it.
2,200 of the Moderna doses arrived this morning, and medical workers lined up to get it.
It's so nice to know that there's hope at the end of this.
And not just to protect veterans from the virus, but also so those veterans who have done so much for our country can enjoy the simple pleasure of seeing family and friends again.
There are times where they say, hey, you're the only one that I've talked to in a couple weeks.
Depression among veterans is an issue, and the social distancing aspect of COVID-19 leads to isolation.
We have seen a high degree of mental health conditions where people are reaching out and really having trouble coping with their normal life and dealing with the things that they have to go through in this pandemic.
But today, hope in a little syringe, that really is a big deal.
Yeah, and you know, it may not be normal for a while, but this is the first step. And that's what's important.
It should take 4 to 6 weeks to get all of the healthcare workers here vaccinated. Then, as they get more doses of the vaccine, more of the high-risk patients and elderly can start getting it. There haven't been a whole lot of cheers here at the hospital lately, but today it was nice to finally hear some. At the VA hospital in Salt Lake City, Alex Cabrero, KSL 5 News.
Alex, thank you.